Hello, my friend. Namaskar. So, in this video, we are going to see Java programming question. Where examiner asks questions regarding to the left shift, and this similar type of question asked in the examination of PFRDA SOIT in phase one of the exam of 2005 year, 2025. So maybe the examiner can give you 32 or 64 or 33, any number he can give you. Okay. So let's solve the question. So I just want you to please pause the video, try to solve the question by yourself, then I will explain. Okay? So I will just explain it directly. So here I am having an online Java compiler. So here I have run. So I am going to get the value. The output is 256 and 0. So if I put here 32, so what is happening over here? So same thing I am going to show you also. So here I got 128 and minus 128. And here if I put the value as 16. So again, I have to do the two left shift and I will receive the value 64, 64. So like this, you can see the value. And if I put here 33, then one value will be positive, another will be negative. So here you can see the output. Okay. Now let's solve the question. How we can solve the question. Okay. So I will explain in easy language to you so that you can also understand. Okay. So in very basic, I will take it. So we are having a byte. So what is byte? It is having a range from minus 128 to 0, from 0 to plus 127. This is the range of the byte. Okay. This is the range of byte. So I have said that x value is equal to 64. मैंने बोला that x value is 64. Okay, no problem. So it is in the range. It is in the range. So I am happy. You are happy and happy. Int is having a very large range. Okay. So now byte y. So again there is a variable of byte y. I have said that int x left shift of 2 of x. So it means 64. So let's write the 64 in the number of binary. Okay, so how we can write 64? 1 0 0 0 2 4 8 16 32 2. So like this, I have written the value of 64. Okay. So the value 64 I have written. Now I have to do the two left shift operation. I have to do the two left shift operation. It means this value, this all the values will shift towards left shift. Left shift. Okay. It means 20 extra will be added over here. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने 20 एक्स्ट्रा ऐड कर दिए और ये जो कंप्लीट वैल्यू ये आगे शिफ्ट हो जाएगी. सो सेम यू हैव टू राइट डाउन ओवर हियर 0 0 0 0 0 1. सेम थिंग. तो ये क्या बना? 2 4 8 4. ये बन गया मेरा 256. ठीक है. सो दिस माय 256 वैल्यू. ओके. सो नाउ लेट्स सपोज कि यहाँ पे उसने एक दिया था. लेट्स सपोज ही हैज गिवन यू इन प्लेस ऑफ 64. लेट्स सपोज ही हैज गिवन यू 65. मान लो उसने 65 दिया होता तो हाउ वी कैन राइट 65. 65 में हम यहाँ क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे अपना आ जाता 1. यहाँ पे अगर आप आता 1, सो सेम 1 will come over here. So like this we are shifting the value. Now the value of I we got here 256. The value of I we got here 256. So the value of I it is over here. So because there is no change in I, it is 256. So let's look at the option. So where is 256? No, it is here 256. So 256 value over here. So you need to take care of left shift and right shift. So these how the left shift and how the right shift happen in very detail in 2 hour class. I have already explained. So that video you can watch. Okay. Now let's look at the option of byte. So here we are having the y. Y, what is the y? It is the byte. It is having the range of minus 128 to plus 127. Byte of y, again x value. What is the x value? 64. Again the shift of 2. Again the left shift of 2. Now the problem will occur. Why? Because we are having the limited range. अब अपने पास जो रेंज है वो लिमिटेड होगी. तो 2 4 8 16 25 28 यहाँ तक अपनी रेंज होगी. सो आवर रेंज विल बी हियर. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 we are having, so extra one it is coming. So it is going to wrap up. It is going to cycle. What it say? ये कहेगा सर आप +20 if you are at 127, अब आपको और आगे जाना है, so you have to go to the reverse. अब आप यहाँ पे जो नेगेटिव वैल्यू है वहां पे आ जाओ. So it will go in the negative value. So it will go in the negative value. Then from the negative it is going to start towards positive value. So it is a cycle. So it will end at 0. So ये end ये क्या करेगा? It is going to end at 0. So option C will be the right answer for this question. Okay, let's change the value. Let's change the value. So in place of, let's suppose here 64, I put here 32. Okay, now let's, or in place of 32, let's place as 16. Okay, let's solve the question again. So I have placed 16 here. So answer will be the same for the this and this. Why? Because 64 it is in the range of the byte as well as in the range of the integer. Okay, let's solve this question of 16. So I am having the value 16. 16 अच्छा लग रहा है, कुछ और आप ले सकते हैं वैल्यू. मान लो 16 की जगह सर मुझे चाहिए 17 चाहिए. It is my any number. Let's place here 17 and let's see the value. So it is going to give you some value. Okay. So now we have answer is 16. Let's solve the question. Okay. So what is the value we have put here? 17. Okay. Let's solve this question. So how we can write the 17? So this is how we can write the 17. Okay. So I believe you are okay with me. So the number system, how we can convert from decimal to binary, from binary to hexadecimal, और एनी नंबर एग्जामिनर 2 दे, 8 दे, 10 दे, 16 दे, अगर उसने 17 भी दिया है, बेस में 19 भी दिया है, how you can solve this question? For this I have already made a complete detailed video of 2 hours, so that video you can watch. In this I have explaining very detailed to you. Okay? So here I'm not explaining. Let's solve the question. So we need to do the left shift. It means we have to do the left shift. So here we are seeing the left shift of 2. Okay, so this 1 and 2. So 2 value will be append going to here. So I have to append this number as here. Okay, so 2 0 will be added over 1 0 0 1. Now what is this number? 8 plus 64. But I got it. 64 plus 8. Sorry. 1 2 3. अच्छा यहाँ पे एक जीरो और लगा दिया ना, एक जीरो और आ जाएगा. So 64 plus 8, we got here 72. Okay, so I'm sorry, 2 4, yeah, it is 4, it is 4, it is 4. So 64 plus 4, 68. So answer will be the 68. So it was my mistake, it will be 4. And this value will be the 64. 64 plus 4, it will give the answer of 68. Okay. So let's see what the value we have received over here. Here. So again, we have received the 68 value. So you can change any value and you can solve the question if the examiner asks related to the left shift or the right shift. Okay. So I believe you like the video and इसी के साथ दोस्तों जय हिंद जय भारत.